Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hello like this. Then we go to first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Hello app. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone and you will restart your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.